Well, hello. I'm back, guys. Welcome. This is Shomari Clark once again. If you want to know who I am, go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name at the top search, Shomari, and you'll see I'm a trader and an investor, and that's who you're talking to because that's what we're about here, trading and investing, cryptocurrency, blockchain news. Now, what we've got, guys, is some more free money. As you know, nation, nation, I keep telling you, sorry about not having my face 1 second. I keep telling you, oh, this channel isn't going to start for a couple months. It's not going to start for a couple months. And it isn't. But look, we live in two worlds here. We live in the real world, and then we live in this place called Cryptoland. Excuse me. And in this place called Cryptoland, yo, guys, they just give us free money. Look, guys, where are you? Right? They just give us free money. And so, like I told you, we're going to get that. When it comes, we're going to get that free loot. We're going to hunt that down, right? And so, man, it was just, what was that? We had Operation, if you go down. Oh, so first of all, also I got to tell you, please subscribe, blah, 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 stuff like that. Watch the videos. But, okay, so if you go down Operation Airdrop, we gave that one the business. Everyone got some money then, right? Nice. Now, we've got a new operation. This one's super easy. This one's called Operation Airdrop. Operation Airdrop, excuse me. And here in Operation Airdrop, it's the same as the last mission we did. You got to put your coins, have them on your on a wallet, not on an exchange. That's the thing. You can't have them on an exchange. Anytime these forks happen, these hard forks happen, you can't have them on exchange. And, okay, so let me just explain the op first. Okay. So ETHEREUM CLASSIC is going to but it's going to get a hard fork. Remember I explained to you last time what a hard fork was? A hard fork is when some of the programmers on that blockchain decide we think we can make a better system, and we're going to hard fork it off your algorithm. It's still the same, in the same family of algorithm, but they boop, and so you get a free coin for that. And so we are going to get what's called a Callisto coin. I'm going to read it to you and everything right now. And look, here in Cryptoland, you just get free money sometimes, and we're going to go get that. That's your mission. Look at you guys. Captain Clark here. Captain Clark telling you. We're getting our money this weekend, all right? Again. Or, sorry. This happens on the 2nd to the 5th of March. The reason I'm telling you now early is so that you can get your funds ready. You know, move your money from your bank account to some Coinbase, get prepared. Okay? Last op, I know I said it kind of, I don't know, what was it, day before? And then people were like, well, why didn't you tell us before? And it was like, well, I'm not a reporter, man. I don't know. But okay, so now I know. Okay, tell about ops first. You got it. Captain Clark's learning. I'm learning just like everyone, man. This is a new thing for me doing this whole thing right here like this, you know. I'm just a regular investor and stuff. Like, you know, you'll see in Forex Factory, you know, how I am. And, but yeah, so here we go. So let's check some stuff out. Let's get right into the op real quick. Shomari, man, you talk too much sometimes. I know. So that's why let's flow right now. And we'll just check out the markets, and then we have a little chat with you real quick, though, and then we'll get right into it. You know, listen, guys, you're in a new revolution, right? You're in Internet 2.0, right? All of these things right here, these are blockchain services companies. Blockchain services companies. And the blockchain is to today what the internet bubble was to my family, to my generation. I'm a 44-year-old man. I know I look young. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Hold on, let me look at you. Why, thank you. I know. I do look young. That's because my money makes me money. I don't have to work hard. But look, I was alive during that time. And, you know, that was when the internet first came out. You know, if you invested in Microsoft at 10 cents, think how rich you'd be today. If you invested in Cisco, anything like it, 5 cents, 10 cents. That's how it was when I was a kid, and that's what we're in now. What you're seeing is the beginnings of a revolution. It's a blockchain services company revolution. The blockchain or blockchains are going to be everywhere. Just like how the internet is everywhere now, blockchains are going to be everywhere. It's called Internet 2.0. It's the Internet 2.0 revolution. And right now, as investors, as people with money, we get to invest in this just like our parents did. You remember, if you're a Generation Xer, if you're a Generation Yer, and definitely if you're a baby boomer, you probably were the participant, right? In that. Remember all the money everyone made just throwing everything at .coms and .this, .that? We're just going to, well, not going to just throw it, but all this blockchain. This is the new .com. The new word, buzzword, coming in 2019, 2020 is going to be blockchain, 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 blockchain. And so that's why you're lucky right now to be here, because you're smart and you've obviously figured out the revolution's coming. And so Nation, Crypto Nation, just like when before people understood what .com was, right? There was the early adopters. They're the smart people who get in early. That's what you are now. You're the smart that get in early, so that when the big money does come in, when people figure it out, go right now. Go outside right now. Ask your neighbor, you know what a blockchain is? Like, no. Right? They don't know. Look at all these blockchain services companies we're already invested in. When soccer mom and dad, Charles Schwab tells them, hey, invest in this blockchain fund. That's going to drive money into the market. And since we're in early now, that's going to push our holdings up. Okay? And that's why it's good that you're in the revolution now. You see, you're an early adopter. You're in. Anyways, nation. We'll get into all that revolutionary talk another time. Because it's taking over the world. Blockchain is taking over the world. Actually, I'm going to read you a little bit something. Let me read you a little something. Let's see. Let's see. This is more high-minded stuff, though. All right, let's see. Europe's largest shipping port, Rotterdam, has launched a research lab to explore blockchain technology and logistics. Utilities in North America and Europe are using blockchain to trade energy futures and manage billing at electric vehicle charging stations. What about this mission, Shomari? All right. Let's go. All right, let's just get into it. Quick mission. It's nothing big. Well, make the money, though. So now, what it is booyah. So this is from the website smartoptions.io. Hodl that. Number 7. I like these guys. Hodl. That's what we say around here. We hodl. We're not holding like in the stock market. We hodl in the Cryptoland. So, when will the hard fork happen? You can check that website for the current block, the calculation. So that's why you have to get ready now, and that's why I'm doing it early, because they're saying by the 2nd or the 5th. They don't know, because, hold on, let me show you. Or let me put my face on here. So I'm kind of talking to you. So they don't know when the hard fork is going to happen. Like, when these hard forks happen, it happens on a block of the blockchain. So, you know, the blockchain or blockchains, how they work is it's a chain of blocks of data, right? And so they say at block so-and-so, we're going to fork off. But, you know, you don't know when that block happens because it takes time for that data. Each block is a certain data size. And so until a block is filled with that amount of data, doesn't go anymore. Like the chain doesn't go. So that's why it's between the 2nd and the 5th, and that's why I'm telling you now to get your money ready now. And I'll keep you updated. I mean, this is basic, man. This is a no-brainer. This one is so easy, guys. You're just gonna put your money in a wallet, wait, and it's gonna wait for you. I'll even show you my wallet. The money's already, they already have the thing waiting, kind of to get to you. So it's a really easy mission, but it's free money. And what I told you, around these parts, we don't play games around these parts. I mean, we chill out here in South Beach just drinking when there's money to be made. We just go get that, you know what I mean? We just go get that, I don't know what the problem is, you know what I mean? Just move money from there to there and then get free money. Like, what's the problem? I mean, how lazy can you be? Just tap your finger on your mouse, tap your finger again, tap your finger again, you have free money. So, all right, nation, let's get to this. All right, so, let me open that up, actually. Look at my face and everything all the time. That's not useful. All right, so, boom, when will the fork happen? Between the 2nd and 5th of March. So that's when the fork's going to happen. So we're going to have our money. I mean, I already actually did this. I already got my stuff. And the reason you should get it now, the other reason I'm telling you now is that as the fork happens, I mean, people around the world know the fork is happening. So they all buy in, too, to get ready for their free cash. So that actually drives up the price of your Ethereum Classic as it runs up. So when the fork happens, boom, if you want, sell that Ethereum Classic. You profit off the Classic, and then you also have the free coins. So that's how let me show you. So, okay, so I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but what I'm going to do personally is I have real Ethereums. Like, I have a bunch of real Ethereum. And I personally believe that network is going to be the one that is going to work in the end. So I don't really want this Ethereum Classic. So what I did, I just bought a ton of it. And I'm going to wait for this fork. And I bought it now. I bought it early before the fork is happening on the 2nd to the 5th. So that's what? This is February 24th, 2018. So about another 8 days is when the possibility of that blockchain hitting and the fork happening. But I bought it now because everybody's going to know. I mean, people like me know, and then others are going to know, like, that it's going to happen. And so as they all buy in, they're going to drive actually the price of the actual classic Ethereum up. And so when the fork happens, if you sell off those Ethereum, you've made profit on the Ethereum, and then you're still left with free coins over there, right? You're still left with these free coins. So that's my trading strategy. I mean, I'm not telling anyone what to do with their money. Like I said, I'm not here to say what to do with your money. I'm just tell you my strategy. Like, this is what I'm doing with it, okay? So anyway, but let's just get to it. How do we do this? How do we do this, Shomari? Let's go. So, I mean, it's so super stupid. It's easy. So it happens on the 2nd and the 5th. So now, will your exchange support the hard fork? This is hard to say. And listen, that's a bunch of crap. It's hard to say. No, just forget about that. I know exchanges are not going to give you your money. So just forget about the exchange. You need to buy your Ethereum Classic and you need to take it off the exchange. That's my advice. That's just my advice. Right? I mean, this is a professional website here. These guys know. Whatever. But just believe me, forget about that. But these two wallets are guaranteed. Hold on a minute. Guaranteed to issue you your Callisto coins. Oh, my bad. I didn't even mention that. So that's the name of the coin you're going to get. It's called a Callisto coin. For every Ethereum Classic you have, you're going to get a free Callisto coin. Now, so get you an Ethereum Classic Ether wallet or a Classic Mask. I know they say you can do the My Ether. You can, but you have to do all these steps. Look, just keep it easy, nation. I'm here to just keep it easy for you. I mean, if you want to go into that, you're all techie. You can do all that. It's not all techie. It's not that hard. But just still, just mom and pop, just do the easy, okay? Just get them. It's already a classic. In fact, I have the Classic Ether wallet. Just get the Classic Ether, but the Classic Mask. Get that. What you're going to do is you're going to buy Ethereum Classic coins. Ethereum Classic coins. And you're going to put them in that wallet. In that wallet, right there. And you're going to wait for the fork. You're going to wait for the fork, which is coming between the 2nd and then the 5th of March. Keep coming back here. I'll keep you updated when the fork happens. But to tell you the truth, you don't have to keep coming back here because it's so easy. The Classic, so let me show you the Classic Ether wallet. Ether wallet. So you just go here, go to Classic Ether wallet. Boop. Create new wallet. Boop. You're going to create a wallet. Now remember, we talked to you about this before. We talked to you about your public key and your private key. Every wallet, every one of these software wallets you have two keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is where money gets sent to, just every time you transfer from one exchange to another or whatever, to that wallet, in and out of that wallet. The private key is actually sort of the bank account of it. In other words, your private key lets the that's where the blockchain knows. Even though those accounts, those transfers came in on a public key, they all belong to that private key, and that's your master key. If you lose your private key, all money that you have is gone. All money. But as long as you always have your private key, you can always have your money. It doesn't matter if your laptop falls in the pool or, off a yacht, gets eaten by a shark or something. It doesn't matter. As long as you have your private key somewhere, that's why you always have to print them out. Print them out on your on your computer. And actually, I print them out and I keep them on I keep my private keys on what do you call these? Hard drive, like these, I can attach it and reattach it to my computer. And that way, even if, I don't care if some dog eats my laptop or something, fine. When I get my new laptop, I just download those wallets again, and I put the private keys in, and boop, the blockchain knows. Oh, that's you? Oh, here's your money, sir. That's the power. That's the power of your private keys. Okay? In this Cryptoland world we live in now. Always, always, always print your private keys, because you can also put them in manually. All those weird letters, like some of them are caps, some of them no, some are numbers. You can print that in privately or manually to any wallet, and the blockchain will know that's the private key that holds those cryptocurrencies, and boop, your money is back. The blockchain never forgets. The blockchain will always know. So always, always keep your private keys. Your private keys for any account. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if your house blows up. Doesn't matter what. As long as you have a little something with your private keys on it where you can push it back in, boop, your money is back with you. Okay, so I'm sorry. I went off on a tangent right there. But it's important. It's important. It's the power of the private keys in this world we live in now, this Cryptoland we're in. Cryptoland, right? Public key, private key. It's a new world, right? You gotta know that. But the private key, you always keep that. What I do, I print them, and I have a folder, and I just have all my tokens, all my private key for all my wallets in there. That's it. All I gotta do if this house burns down, grab my flipping, grab that folder. Good. right? Actually, it's with it's funny. So I'll tell you, it's with my passport, my bank account, my bank stuff. It's in one briefcase. This house burns down. Screw all the crap in here. I'm out. I'm good because I got my loot. Anyways, guys, so let's get to the goods. That's just how I structure my life, you know. I always have to prepare. You never know. All right, so how to claim it? Bam, 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 boom, 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 boom. All you have to do, as you don't physically store Ethereum Classic in a wallet like my Ether wallet or Jax, you always should be able to claim along with your private key. Your Ethereum Classics are, like any other coin, stored in the blockchain and wallet, and the wallet is only an interface. That's what you have to understand. When you have these wallets on here, guys, your money is not actually on your computer. Like, it's just on the blockchain, and that wallet just has that private key in it, which tells the blockchain, "Hi, I'm the private key owner," and boop, when you turn it on, the blockchain says, "Oh, private key, hello. Well, this is how much of our tokens you have." And that's how you see your balance. But your balance is actually on the blockchain. Your balance is actually out there. It's not, there's no actually, it's all electronic. Of course, there's no physical money. But seriously, though, but your stuff is on the blockchain. It's private key, people, private key. But seriously, that's how it works, right? Your stuff is not actually on your computer. It's on the blockchain, but the blockchain just keeps track of all these private keys. Yeah. Let's continue. So it's stored in the blockchain and wallet. And the wallet are only an interface to access those in a convenient way. Your coins could be transferred by command line if you know how. So basically, it should not depend on the wallet itself to claim those Callistos. This means technically it should be possible to get the coins with every wallet. Besides wallets on exchanges. Remember, besides wallets on exchanges, you have to take your money off the exchange. Off the exchange. Wherever you bought it, Bitfinex, blah, 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 wherever. Off the exchange and into a wallet, into one of these wallets, Classic Ether, Classic Mask, on your computer. Put it on your computer, and then you're going to wait for the fork. Wait for the fork. The fork will happen between 2nd and 5th of March. You're going to wait for the fork. You're going to put your money into your wallet, and then you're going to wait for the fork. So by the first, put your money in your wallet, wait for the fork. These wallets are going to automatically, well, I'll tell you this one. That's why I'm saying this is an easy operation. It's not like Operation Airdrop we did last time. Operation Airdrop, we had to do remember we had to move our money from here to there and this and that. This is an easy one. This wallet right here, Classic Ether wallet, is going to just credit you your Callistos right away. Instantly. So just get that and wait for the fork. Make sure your money is in there by the 1st, because it's happening between the 2nd and the 5th. You don't want it to happen on the 2nd at 12:01. You're like, damn it, I thought I was going to wake up in the morning and do it. No. Put it in there by the 1st, people. Look at me, people. I'm not playing games. We're getting money around here. Can't let you flipping idiots get drunk and stupid. Listen, people. Okay, by the 1st. Where are you? There you are. By the 1st, put your money in your My Ether Classic wallet. What is it called? My Classic wallet? What's it called? Yes. Classic Ether wallet. Put it in the My Classic Ether wallet on the 1st. Then go drink, take your girl out, do whatever you got to do. Have fun. By the 5th, you're going to have Callisto coins. You know what I mean? Make it easy on yourself. Nation, Crypto Nation, come on, Nation. That's why the general's here, buddy. That's why the general's here for you. Nation. Look, I said this in the last mission, the last operation, what was that? Airdrop. Oh, sorry, this is Airdrop. Operation, what the fuck was that operation's name? Anyway, the last op we did last week. Anyways, look, don't just sit here and listen to some guy talk. Oh, that's a funny guy in a flipping army thing. Screw the army thing. Screw who I am. Tell you how to make money. Go get it. Okay, this is actionable intelligence. You know what I mean? What actionable intelligence is? It means you make an action and something occurs. Okay, so you do what I'm telling you to do right now. You're going to make money. That's the occurrence of completing the actions that I am telling you to do. So you're going to buy ETHEREUM CLASSIC, put it on the wallet, and wait. And you're going to get free coins. What you do with the Classic and the coins and that after that, it's up to you. But do it, please. Don't just listen to me. Like, what's the point of just, I'm not even good looking. Like, just listen to a guy, right? Like, but do that. Okay, that's what you're here for. And make the money, Nation. Look, Nation, I told you, man, this is a revolution that we're in, and it's just beginning. And, you know, you need to, you know, around these parts, yeah, we're going to have, I keep telling you, we're going to have the crypto blockchain news. It's going to look all fancy here. All right, we're going to have branding and all this crap, right, that everyone wants us to do. Well, making me do. But you have so much to offer, Shomari. Just come on. Anyway, whatever. Fine. And I'm down. I'm about making money, and I love talking about making money. I'll sit here all day telling you how to make money. Let's go. Let's go. But we're in a revolution, guys, and this is the, like I said, I'm a 44-year-old man. I'm not a kid. When the internet bubble came, all that money, if you had invested in Microsoft back in those days, look how rich you'd be today. The blockchain is about to take over the world. The world. Blockchain technology about to take over the world. Just like how the internet took over the world, now it's blockchain. Internet 2.0 revolution. And we have the opportunity to invest in it. I am an investor. That's what you're going to get here. You're going to learn how to invest in blockchain technology services companies. That's what you're investing in. These are not cryptocurrencies. Okay? These are blockchain services companies. Yes, Bitcoin and Litecoin are currencies that run on a blockchain. But Monero, Ripple, name them all. Commando, blah, 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 Tron and all that. Those are blockchain services companies. They're offering a blockchain, and their blockchain is going to do something. And so, you know, they're the vanguard of this new revolution. And that's what we're investing in, the vanguard. And the whole point of this website here, or this, what is this thing called? A channel that we're going to have is to identify investment opportunities and hopefully take them. Like I said, guys, look, this is not about listening to Shomari. Oh, Shomari. It's about, I want to build a community. Look, ask your CEO, hey, buddy, what are we doing with the blockchain? We doing anything? We implementing anything? What companies we working with? Ladies, hike up the skirt. Talk to the IT guy. Hey, Johnny, we doing anything with the blockchain? What blockchain we using? How's it going to go? Right? These are investment opportunities. Give us investment opportunities as the thing grows. So that's really what I want around here is us talking to each other. We're going to be on, I mean, you're going to watch this. I'll be have a thing on YouTube, but I want to have some forums where you guys can talk together. We can all talk together. And hey, like I said, if you get intel, give it to me, and I'll give it out here so everyone else can. If you're a doctor and you're in the medical field, you're I don't know, you're in shipping, you're in logistics, you're in whatever. And hey, we're using this for the blockchain. We're using this on our blockchain. We're looking at using this blockchain services company. Give it to me. I'll tell people. You see what I'm saying? And it will give us an idea of maybe, you know, good investment opportunities going forward. If you work for some reputable company, and all of a sudden we hear your company's looking at blah 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 implementing the blockchain for them, maybe an investment opportunity for everybody. So that's how I'd like it to work. Kind of like a little mini CIA. You know what I mean? We have our own intelligence agency going on. You know what I mean? Nobody knows. Just us here, guys. Just us. Just hanging. Just talking. Just chit-chatting. You know what I mean? But seriously, obviously I've been drinking a little bit. But yeah, that's how I really want it. Like a community. I'm already an investor. Like my money makes me money. I haven't had like I said, I'm Shomari. I haven't had a rat race. I haven't had a 9-to-5 job in, 18 years. My money makes me money. I don't pay the taxes you pay. I pay what's called capital gains tax. My money makes me money. I don't pay, what's that called? Payroll taxes, right? When you guys get paid and stuff, 9-to-5 jobs and stuff. 18 years. And this is the new revolution, man. And all of us investors, we know it. And we're getting in good. So, yeah, guys, I mean, this is what we got to do. It's the Internet 2.0. It's going to be going on for the next 10 years. So as it goes, some companies are going to grow, some are going to go down. Boom, boom, we're going to keep allocating our funds. And we're going to milk this cow. We're going to milk this cow, right? Just like our parents milked the dot-com bubble cow, investing in everything and just got all the money out of every company, right? Bought this, bought that, sold that, made loot. We're going to milk this cow hard. Revolutions only come around like this. I mean, they don't. I mean, damn, I lived through two. It's like the invention of the car or something. Well, I guess the invention of the internet, but this is Internet 2.0. And that's what we're going to go through. So we're going through the new internet revolution. And as long as we invest properly, we're going to pull money out this thing as this whole industry. It's an industry. While it's different than internet in that the internet had, routers, software, hardware, blah, blah, blah. This is one thing, blockchains. Which blockchain is going to survive? Which blockchain is going to be the biggest? Which blockchain is going to dominate? That's what this side is about. We're going to try to figure that out, which is going to survive the revolution. But during the revolution, we're going to be making money. We're just going to keep milking this cow for the next 10 years, guys. If you're a Generation Xer, you remember. If you're Generation Y, you remember. Baby boomers. Yeah, you had your fun that time, huh? You get a second chance at the apple. Lucky guys. Yeah, but we're the ones with the money now, right? Remember when our parents had the money? We were just in college. Yeah, we're the ones with the money now. So we're going to milk this cow this time. They got to milk .com and Microsoft and Cisco and Gateway and Dell. No. Well, we're going to milk Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ripple and all of these. All of them. It's our time to get rich. Okay, so anyway, but I'm sorry about that. But the mission tonight is the hard fork. Like I said, just get that money. It's free. Just by the 2nd and the 5th. So on the 1st, put your money into let me make sure I can show you this. It's happening to the 2nd and the 5th. So make sure you have your money on make sure you got your money in a wallet. Boom. By the 1st. By midnight of the 1st. Boom. Put your Ethereum Classic on one of these. And then it's going to be boop. Automatic. Whenever the hard fork happens, whenever that block, when the block hits, right? It's a block. That's why it's called a blockchain, because it's a chain, like it lines up, right? Like it's a train, really, call it block train, whatever. But when our block hits, boop, you're going to get your money. That's it. So, but you got to have it there, because if you miss it, if it boops, and then you put your thing in then later, like, oh, you missed it, buddy. So listen, make sure to have your stuff on the blockchain, guys. It's simple. This is a no-brainer. Get the money. So, this is Shomari. Like I said, around these parts, whenever you see me up in the army gear, it means we're taking out some kills, taking out quick money. Around these parts, like I told you, we're buying and holding. Like I said, it's Internet 2.0. The money we're going to make is really in a few years. The truth is, you're watching this now, 2018. The truth is, no one is even going to know what blockchain is till about 2020, 21. 2020-21, people are going to be watching this video here like, how did that guy know back in 2018? Yeah, you guys are just early. Well, not just early. You're the smart ones. You are the smart ones. Ask your neighbor what a blockchain is. They don't know what the hell you're talking about. What's a distributed ledger? They don't know what you're talking about. We're already buying into these things. And that's why we have the upper hand. For when the big money comes in, we're already here in the space. Our holdings are going to rise. Our holdings are going to rise nicely. We're going to get rich. Yeah, I said it, rich. Like, make a little money, rich. I know that Bitcoin thing that happened in December and stuff, that was just the industry advertising itself. Hi, we're called blockchains. That's all, just to get awareness. But now that the big money is aware, they're starting to do their SEC licenses, the ETFs, the hedge fund guys, the mutual fund guys, all those fund managers, and they're doing their SEC licensing now. I think there's a group of 25 hedge fund guys right now in Texas, Austin, getting ready to pump money in. And so that's why we need it. You got to get in right now, right now. Buy right now. Because when big money comes in, they're going to push the prices up. And you already want to be an early adopter. You see, that's the beauty of this market that we're in, is that, when an IPO happens, that's an initial public offering. That means the company has already been there making money, and the insiders are already in, and then they give it to us, and then we can buy it off the NASDAQ, the Dow, whatever, like that. But we're already in, and the big money is coming in later, right? These initial coin offerings gave it to us, just citizens. We are the early insiders in a way. Yes, Shomari, but the insiders already have it too. Yes, it's true. But just look at it in a 3-layer system. Yes, the guys who run those companies have their tokens already, and they're rich from these ICOs that we bought. But the big money, the billionaires, the 1%, the hedge funds and that, they haven't come in yet. We're already in now. So it's a 3-stage. It's the guys who built the blockchain. They may get rich. And then it's us. We're in now. And then big money comes. Usually it's the company, big money, then us. No. We're before big money this time. And big money is starting to, we're going to talk about that here, the regulations. It's not just going to be about cryptocurrencies. Like I said, it's going to be a blockchain, the actual technology underlying it. I mean, we're going to talk about the regulations, people, they're going to tax us on this, right? Like, they're not going to let us just get away with making all this money forever, right? Like, in the Forex market, I have to pay taxes on that. And I trade stocks or options, I have to pay taxes, capital gains taxes. Like, we don't pay anything on this yet. They're not going to let us get away with this forever. So we have to be realistic. It's realistic, man. Come on, guys. Come on. So, yes, we're gonna be doing a lot about regulations and regulatory bodies and what they're doing to keep us abreast of, that, which is the important part. Well, a big deal, a big important part. So, anyways, I guess I've talked enough. Let's just go over this one last quick time. We have got Booyaka, a hard fork, hard fork off ETHEREUM Classic, you are going to get, Ethereum Classic, you are going to get free Callisto coins. For every Ethereum Classic coin you have, you're going to get one free Callisto. So load up on the Ethereum Classic, load up, and on the first, put your Ethereum Classic into a wallet on your computer, and wait for the fork. Wait for the fork. Once the fork happens, well, you're just going to have free Callisto coins, and, well, it's up to you what you want to do with your money. Keep it or not. All right, so that's been a good one. That's the mission. I'm going to keep it updated and all that, you know. And that's it, though. Guys, make the money. Captain Clark out. See you later.